Welcome to our IBC Special Part 2. Atomos has unveiled the next generation Shogun monitor recorders at IBC. Just like they did with the new Ninja monitors, the Shogun and Shogun Ultra models offer more recording options than ever, including ProRes RAW, ProRes H.265 and Avid DNX, as well as the company's latest operating system dubbed Atom OS 11. The 2000 nits bright 7-inch display offers incredible intuitive control via touchscreen, while the Ultra makes it possible to record ProRes RAW plus H.265 at the same time. The Shogun Ultra also supports ARRI, Red and Sony file name support over SDI, and both models can also do SDI to HDMI signal conversion. In addition, both Shogun models also offer robust wireless connectivity, as well as support for the camera-to-cloud workflow with the ability to upload 4K H.265 files to the cloud. At IBC, Blackmagic Design also unveiled their next-generation pocket cinema camera, which is now called the Cinema Camera 6K. A first for Blackmagic Design, the new Cinema Camera 6K features a full-frame sensor with a low-pass filter and is also capable of recording Blackmagic RAW at up to 60 frames per second in 6K or 4K windowed up to 120 frames per second. Similar to the previous models, the new camera comes with a large touchscreen LCD with 1500 nits brightness, as well as the ability to record to external SSDs via USB-C. The new Cinema Camera 6K records onto CF Express Type B cards and comes with an L mount instead of Canon EF, giving access to plenty of full-frame lens options, including the ability to use PL lenses with an adapter. Adobe also came to IBC with some exciting new updates for Premiere Pro and After Effects. The new beta release of Premiere Pro comes with a new AI-assisted enhanced speech feature, which will help editors clean up dialogue with a click of a button and get a substantial improvement in audio quality. Other improvements include filler word detection and removal in text-based editing and improved auto-tone mapping for more consistent color output. After Effects now features a true 3D workspace, adding depth and dimension to compositions in a unified space with native import of 3D models, while the new AI-powered Rotobrush provides a much more streamlined approach to separating objects from backgrounds. And last but not least, we are running a special hands-on event on the Sony Burano at the Sony dedicated facility in Pinewood Studios on October 5th. Check out the link below in the description for more details and how to register.